Locked out of your Gmail account? Standard recovery options failing you? Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through a specific method to regain access without your recovery email, phone number, or password, even if two-step verification is blocking you. First, we need to reset the environment. On your Android device, go to the Google App Info, Permissions, and Deny Location. Do the same for Google Chrome. Then, clear Chrome defaults and minimize the app. Next, open the Google Play Store. Search for and install Spark Browser. We'll use this fresh browser environment to initiate the recovery process. Open it and navigate to google.com. Tap Sign In and enter your Gmail address. Tap Next, then Forgot Password. When two-step verification pops up, choose Try Another Way. Now, catch this warning. When the error screen appears, do not tap Try Again. Just minimize the app. Go to your phone settings, Google, then Google Services. Tap the three dots for help. Search for Account Security. Select Make your account more secure, then Help protect your passwords. From here, tap Turn on two-step verification and look for the Advanced Protection program. When prompted to choose a browser, select Spark Browser. This links our earlier session to the security settings. Almost there. Tap Help, select Google Account, then Account Recovery. Choose Security Key is lost. Follow the steps, enter your Gmail, and select Change Password. Create a new, strong password to lock it in. Once you're back in, immediately update your recovery email and add a phone number so this doesn't happen again. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more recovery tutorials.